What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on crypto.com coin. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this coin. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. As you can see, I made this breakdown according to Elliott wave theory on my previous and the video before this video. And as you can see, we have this structure of 5 waves, and I thought that we should have the bottom of our 5th wave with the confirmation that we finished the entire retracement of ABC correction right here, somewhere potentially at this point. But I was wrong. And I was partially wrong, because if I turn off all of these structures, as you can see, I pulled the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, because we have 5 waves completed on this movement to the upside. And let me show you that it was the internal 3rd wave. This means we should retrace it from the bottom to the top. And let me show you how technical this asset is. First of all, we hit our first accumulation target and had a good bounce to the upside. Second one, we hit our 0.5 level and then had a very good bounce to the upside as well. Next one, we hit the golden pocket right here, and we bounced from the golden pocket as well. And for now, we have very good reaction from 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, and it is the $0.56 price point. As you can see, this asset is very technical, and it respects pretty well these levels, and that's why we can rely on this asset in our technical analysis. But I will continue it in several minutes, and for now let's continue with the total sentiment for entire crypto industry. For now, we are sitting at a total market cap of $2.25 trillion. It is a 5.84% decrease over the last day, and as you can see, all of the major cryptocurrencies are in red, and Bitcoin lost about 4%, Ethereum about 4.5%, Binance about 3% during last 24 hours, and basically we don't have any of coins except stable coins that are up during last 24 hours. So we have this massive movement to the downside as at least our short-term downtrend, and it is what it is. We have to be prepared for this type of price actions. And let's continue with the numbers of crypto.com coin. For now, it has a total market cap of $14.42 trillion. It is a 6.41% decrease over the last day. And the volume, total tradable volume during last 24 hours is $319.26 million. And it's up for about 18.26%. So we have quite a bearish sign from the volume, because on the movement to the downside, we have a volume that is higher than the volume that we had previously. As you can see, this movement to the downside has this volume, and even this leg to the downside also has slightly higher volume than we had previously, and then we have for now, for this bounce. And it is quite bearish, I have to say. So let me show you the main news that might be a catalyst for the price of crypto.com coin. We are on dailyhodl.com, and this article was published on December 27th, and it's titled "Smart Money Whales are accumulating 3 crypto assets and unloading 3 others," according to analytics firm. And let me quote you this: "Smart money crypto whales are gobbling up 3 digital assets while selling 3 others," according to insights from Sentiment. Sentiment tells its 120,200 Twitter followers that whales have bought 41% more CRO over the last 2 months. And let me show you the original article, and we are on insight.sentiment.net, and let me show you this picture right here. As you can see, we have increase in buying pressure from the whales, despite of this movement to the downside, and it is quite good sign, because smart money are usually right in their opinion, and that's why we can rely on this news as a part of our due diligence. And let me show you this. Crypto.com has been one of the big gainers, and the major purchase of the naming rights to Los Angeles sport arena has likely had a ton to do with this. If you've kept up with the news on this, you've likely been handsomely rewarded. So it is what it is. A lot of people bought right here, right after the Staples Center announced that it will become a Crypto.com arena. And let me show you right here on appwisdom.io, on the crypto top folder, we have crypto.com coin on the 4th place. And previously, when I make my previous video, it was on the 5th place, but for now it is on the 4th one. And it is also a good sign, despite of this diminishing volume of the mentions. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what type of structure do we have right here? Previously, I thought that we have this as our A wave, this is our B, and potentially we had to have one more leg to the downside to form our C wave. But this price action eliminates this breakdown, because right here at this movement to the upside, we clearly can see the structure of the B wave. And this means the top of our B wave right here and the bottom of our A wave right here. And it doesn't violate any rules of Elliott wave theory, because on A wave we should have a shape of 3-wave structure or 5-wave structure. And right here we have A, B, C. Then we have A, B, C structure to the B wave. And for now we have this structure to form our C wave. And this tiny green candle, if I switch to, let's switch to 15 minutes time frame, we have potentially this breakdown of our ending wave. And this might be our first wave, second, third, fourth, and fifth. And if this breakdown is correct, we've officially finished the bottom of our retracement, and we finished all 5-wave structure. And this means from this point we might have a very good bounce to the upside. Let's switch to 4 hours time frame. And we have decent chances to have a good bounce if this asset will have some major upcoming news related to Crypto.com exchange. And let me show you that we have key level right here at the bottom, at the top of our first wave. Let me show you this structure. Right here we cannot have an overlap of our 4th wave. For now we have this as our lowest point of the 4th wave. We cannot have an overlap with the first wave in our motive wave. If we will have it, we won't hit major targets, at least at this wave, because it will invalidate this movement as our motive wave. So this means we shouldn't break this range of $0.547. And if we will break it, this means we will have much longer period of consolidation around the ranges of about $0.5 to $0.6. So what should you do if you want to catch the trade or enter the position? If you want to invest in this company, if you want to invest in this coin, you can rely on my major targets, because let me show to you right here, as long as this pivot holds, as long as we won't break this bottom, our major targets and long-term targets are following. First target might be at 0.786 Fibonacci extension level, and it is the extension in the 5th wave compared to 3rd one, and it is a price point of $1.12. Next one is $1.29 price point, and next one is $1.8 price point. And for now we have much attractive entry price. We have it right here at about 57 cents price point, and to our first target we have about 2x of potential profits. Next one is 128%, and the most aggressive one is 217%. So very good potential profits, and I have to remind you that these price targets are valid until we won't break this bottom. And I think it's still quite good retracement, and I think we have very good chances to hit these targets, and that's why Just be cautious but accumulate your position. Without risks you cannot have any rewards at all. So if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys until next time. Bye!